Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sipkins Nurseries, and today we're going to share some tips on how to keep your houseplants healthy throughout the seasons. Your houseplants are going to have various watering needs, so a really great tip is to put a schedule into your phone and then set a reminder so that you get alerts for the different specific needs of your plants. Also, a great tool to invest in is a moisture meter. Simply place it into the soil of the plant and it will aid you in not overwatering. So many houseplants thrive in tropical conditions where there's a lot of humidity in the air. So a really great tool to have in your plant parent arsenal is a really good mister. And this will aid in keeping the plants a little bit more hydrated, especially in the wintertime when you have heat sources on in your home. Now, plants also do not enjoy sudden changes in temperature. And so it's good in the wintertime to keep them away from cold drafts or air conditioners, and also in the winter time to make sure that they are kept away from furnaces and other heat sources. You may consider repotting your houseplant when you notice that the top of the soil seems white and arid, or water runs right through down to the root ball, or seeing things like roots coming out the bottom of the pot, or possibly also out of the top. You can use a good enriched potting soil like the Miracle-Gro here that's meant for indoor plants. Your plants also love a great cleaning. So simply grab a thin rag, dampen it, and simply wipe the leaves. This will not only help them to look great, it will also help optimize the plant health. So your houseplants are going to need nourishment when they are actively growing in the spring and the summer, but refrain from fertilizing in the winter time when they are a little bit slower. Something great to use is a liquid plant fertilizer. This is your most controlled method of fertilizing, or you can also use a slow release fertilizer as well. Keep to a schedule, usually once a week when they are actively growing, and then hold back in the winter time. To keep your houseplants healthy, you're going to want to make sure that you periodically check them over for any type of bugs. Most insects can be dealt with an insecticidal soap, which is simply a soap and water mixture. For trickier insects, you can use something like an Endol, which is an insecticide and which will help deal with larger infestations. A great tip for mealybug is to use the end of a Q-tip, dip it in some rubbing alcohol, and apply it directly to the insect. We hope you've enjoyed these tips of how to keep your houseplants healthy throughout the seasons. Thank you so much for watching.